This was my farm a few months back, lush and green with sweet potatoes and pumpkins. And this is my farm now during the drought, completely devastated. What you're looking at now was a thriving pumpkin patch and rows of sweet potatoes that would have produced a bountiful harvest if it wasn't for the current drought. At the moment, Jamaica is experiencing a meteorological drought, which is defined on the basis of the degree of dryness in comparison to some normal or average amount. Citizens, businesses and farmers are being urged to brace for possible disruptions in water supply as reservoirs run low, and to make it worse, we are in the heart of the dry season, which means rainfall will continue to decrease. Because of the drought, food prices are expected to increase, as some farms that depend on rainfall have been destroyed, and for some farmers it's costing more to produce a crop due to the trucking of water. What's your experience with the drought so far? Leave your comments below.